Today we're making string art of a bride and groom on... Hey Mom! The supplies that you'll need for this craft are a wooden board, hammer and nails, paint and a paintbrush, string or embroidery floss, a paper outline or silhouette of your subject and scissors to cut it out, and I used embroidered flowers, a decorative ribbon, and some pliers. So first you're going to find a clip art silhouette of your subject, and you'll need to cut that out. I try to cut out as much excess paper as possible because this will cause us problems after you hammer in all the nails. What nails should you use for a project like this? I usually choose framing nails because they have a smooth shaft that allows you to push down the thread. You'll see that I often use pliers while hammering in the nails to save my thumbs. Yeah, the pliers much better. Once you're done hammering in all of the nails, you have to gently remove the paper outline. If any nails become loose, just hammer them back into place. So we begin the actual string art portion by tying a knot onto one of the bottom nails and then just going back and forth in a pattern. Often I'll just go in one direction until I get to the end, and then I'll kind of go perpendicular to that in the opposite direction, and this gives me maximum coverage with only a few layers. So you really can't see it here, but the embroidery floss I used was actually like a silver metallic, and I thought that would look really neat for the veil. So this was the point that I started looking at my two figures and their proportions, and I decided, well, I realized that I was actually making a representation of my parents. But that's okay. I mean, they're celebrating their 48th year of marriage, so why not use them as an example? They are a great example. For the bride's dress, I tried to be a little bit more mindful of the directions and the neatness. I did something kind of neat with the bodice, but that was at the end. Sometimes while you're stringing, you'll feel that you have a loose nail, like I have right here. If that happens to you, then no problem, just hammer it in and keep going. For the groom's jacket, I'm using a heavier type of string, almost like a black hemp string, and I think that gave it a more substantial look. I did try to vary the colors and textures of the garments on the bride and groom. I also tried to vary the directions that I was going. You'll see this at the end when you look at the groom's pants versus the wedding dress. I painted the edges of the wood, but they were pretty unfinished. They were not sanded or anything. So I decided to use this decorative trim that I had. It kind of matched the paint color. And I just used a little bit of hot glue to fasten that around the edges. That makes it, softer to handle, and it also makes it look a little bit more professional. But this is definitely optional. The final thing that I decided to add were these tiny little embroidered flowers. I had them in various colors, and I decided to add them as a corsage for the groom, and also in the bride's hair, as well as along the bottom to give her dress a little bit of an accent. You'll be able to see a better view of them in the next picture. So here's the close-up of the beautiful bride and groom. You can see all the details, the blue corsage, the white flowers in her hair, the subtle different shading of the different items or close clothing that they're wearing, and the detail of the different colored flowers at the bottom. I really like this craft. If you liked watching this craft and would like to see more like this, please subscribe to Hey Maaa and like this video. Alright, thank you.